In today's fast-paced surface mount technology industry, saving time has never been more crucial. Which is why SMT manufacturers have long valued the speed and flexibility that Mydata provides to increase efficiency in their production process. And it all begins by making sure the right components are at the right place at the right time. Have you ever searched for components that are already in use in production or that have been misplaced in storage? Or maybe you've spent more time than you would like retrieving components and returning them to stock, or picked the wrong components from storage? That's where the Mydata SMD Tower can make an immediate, positive difference. This automated, computerized storage tower is designed to be used close to production. This creates the prerequisites for quick, safe, efficient, and error-free access to any component reel or tray in seconds to keep production running smoothly. Plus, the Mydata SMD Tower provides a secure, controlled environment for the storage and monitoring of moisture-sensitive components. The SMD Tower's database software provides efficient preparation for kitting, extensive stock control, modules for job planning, barcode label designer, and can be flexibly integrated into existing production control systems. To see how valuable this could be for your manufacturing processes, compare access speed, security of eliminating mix-ups, and space required to manually store and retrieve components to that of the SMD Tower. Manually retrieving SMD reels from storage is time-consuming and demands great attention. Putting components back into storage by hand also takes a lot of time and concentration. In contrast, the SMD Tower does both quickly, automatically. The operator can select a single reel or even a complete kitting list all at once. The Mydata SMD Tower provides the reels one at a time, and when retrieving a complete kitting list, each reel is retrieved in the correct sequence. And storing components is just as easy. Simply place the reel or tray you've chosen to store in the SMD Tower and push the Start button. The integrated barcode scanner identifies it, determines its height and diameter, transfers the component information into the PC database, and automatically places the reel or tray into its assigned location. To err is human and expensive. Conventional storage systems put you at risk for component mix-ups. At best, the kitting time is extended. At worst, the wrong components have been retrieved, set up for production, and improperly placed on a circuit board during an entire production run. But because the tower virtually eliminates the chances of human error, it can practically pay for itself after a few mix-ups have been avoided. And the SMD Tower saves more than time or any risk of mix-ups. Within a footprint of only 1 square meter, up to 546 different SMD reels or up to 294 trays can be conveniently stored next to production lines, at the kitting location or repair station. The SMD Tower multilingual operating software runs on a standard PC and is protected from unauthorized access. Integrating the tower via the remote order protocol to other production systems, whether it's an ERP system or a production machine, enables continuous updates and data synchronization. Data exchange with Mydata software such as MyPlan and MyLabel are available as turnkey solutions. The job planning module administers arbitrary order lists and uses colored indicators to show whether an order can be produced completely, or partially, or not at all, depending on the components in stock, even before production begins. This goes a long way to keeping production lines running without interruption. And because the software stores all relevant data such as stock movements, temperature and air humidity, as well as the time of use of the MSDs, the traceability demanded by more and more manufacturers today is ensured. To provide further flexibility, the integrated barcode label designer can generate both standard and user-defined labels. Depending on the size of the label, all data can also be printed as plain text. In addition, a serial ID code can be generated automatically. An optional client module also provides database access even if the SMD Tower isn't connected. For example, Components can be detected and registered by barcode as soon as they arrive at the incoming goods department. And the software can manage an unlimited number of towers, or even components located in external storage locations, a function that can minimize the time spent on searching for components already in use in production. With automatic storage and retrieval of components that saves time and eliminates the risk of costly human error, with a compact, space-saving design, with intelligent software that offers increased productivity, and integration possibilities to existing systems, with traceability and more, discover how much more productive you can be with the SMD Tower from Mydata. Contact us today.